Hi guys, and welcome to my very first watch video. This is going to be a quick unboxing of Seiko's SNK809. Before we get into the unboxing, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I have my Saab 017, full review to come, but this is a beautiful watch. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Picked this up from eBay for £60 UK, and it's arrived with a little note from the seller. And here we have the classic Seiko blue box. And inside what we have, the SNK809, a little cushion there. So some specs for you. This is the Seiko 5 SNK809 K1, I believe. I think they're all Ks. I don't know if there are any J models of this. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Yeah, there we are. K1 7S26 movement, Seiko's caliber, water resist to 30 meters or 100 feet, with a Seiko's in-house hardlex crystal. And I believe on these, get it off the cushion, that we have a display case back. Yes, we do, so we can see the rotor functioning there. 11 millimeters thickness and 37 millimeters in diameter. Classic Flieger style dial. Very nice printing, very sharp. Dates. Believe this is French and English. Let's give it a shake to wake it up. There we go, she's running. So there we are. Yeah, looks like French and English. 2 stops, no hacking, no hand winding on the 7S, as I'm sure you're all familiar with by now. And I got the metal bracelet. It was effectively the same price as the fabric, the canvas strap version. I'm not a huge fan of this bracelet, but it may work for a while before I find something else. 18 millimeters lug to lug, so plenty of replacement options out there, and just a very smart, affordable way into automatic watch ownership, and hopefully with the usual Seiko reliability. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of strap there. So if you have a larger wrist, you can accommodate that. I'll be obviously removing some links from this. Wear's quite small, but I think that's okay. I like that. It's good to have some variety. I'll be doing a full state of the collection soon, so you can see everything that I have in the collection. Seiko fan, obviously, so there's a fair bit of Seiko in there. Thanks for watching this short little intro to the SNK809. If you like the video, please like it. If you want to see more content on Seiko and other brands watches unboxing reviews, please subscribe or share this video if you think you know someone who would like to watch it. And there we go. Very nice little Seiko at a very affordable price. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.